to show you edible leaf hibiscus. This is Latin name Abelmotius manihot. It is native across Asia and particularly popular in the Pacific Islands, where it goes by a number of different local names and has several localized varieties with many different recipes. This is one of the tastiest heat-tolerant greens I have ever tried. It can handle tons of heat and it's not going to get bitter. The greens are super nutritious, 2 times as much protein as cooked spinach. They're densely nutritious, they're rich in trace minerals, so it's an excellent green to add to your diet. You can find different varieties with varying leaf shapes and colors of edible leaf hibiscus. The plants are intensely heat tolerant, and once established, they can also become impressively drought tolerant as well. These plants do love full sun, and as they're becoming established, they want regular water. Left unpruned in ideal conditions, the plant can get pretty tall. It can reach 6 to even 8 feet tall with a massive trunk. But you can keep it smaller by pruning it down, and it's really only going to get super massive if it's in really ideal conditions and perennializing. So that would be in USDA's hardiness zones 8 and warmer. If you're growing farther north than a zone 8, you can grow this plant directly in your garden, or you can keep it as a house plant, keeping it in a pot and bringing it in over the winter. If you would not like to keep it in a pot and you want to grow it directly in ground, before your first frost of the fall, be sure to come out to the garden, take some stem cuttings, root them in water, and keep those rooted cuttings indoors in your warm house over the winter. And then as things warm up in the spring, you can bring them out and grow them back in your garden. And it's super easy to root these cuttings. You really just snap a piece off where you get some leaf and some main stem and put it in water, easy to root. This is a super easy to grow plant, and it will get fairly tall on you. If you're growing in the south, you will want to keep it pruned because it's not the most sturdy little shrub, and in the high winds of fall, it can topple over and snap. If you'd like to try growing edible leaf hibiscus, just check out our website, RareSeeds.com. Go to the live plant tab, and it will be available in the spring.